afternoon here. We're on the Fraser River in Langley, Fort Langley, BC, British Columbia, Canada. Its temperature's about 21, 22 degrees. And as you can see we're on the Fraser River, one of the largest rivers in British Columbia. Fishing on the Fraser is a family outing usually. A lot of people use bait, some people use spoons. The Karen people like using bait. The best time to fish is usually end July, August. That's when the river's down to the proper level, and you can stand down here. The salmon is a very good species. They have sockeye, they have pinks, they have Chinook salmon, which is a big fish. Also sturgeon. There's sturgeon in this river, but you only can catch and release. You cannot keep them. You have to put them back in the water. They're protected fish. You cannot keep them. Also, certain months of the year you cannot catch salmon, because they want to make sure salmon goes to the spawning grounds where they lay eggs and baby salmon come up. And every 4 years they come out of the ocean. They come all the way up this river and they go for miles and miles and miles back to where they were born, and they die.